Yo guys, this is me and Ainsley Allen's new track. It's different, but it's pretty sweet. Right, let's just get the bitch in neutral. Right, might be out of breath after this, I'm only going slow. Whoa! Backfire, boys. Right, this is the start. Big, long, straight, beach race style. Like proper beach race. If you hit this rut as well, you pop a wheeler right over that. Right, get on the pegs on it and bomb it into this slippy corner. You've got the choice of that inside, or you've got this outside. It's a bit wonky, but it's a nice line. And that shit, that slippy, that shit. Then if you get wide, you can sweep it in, nail this footer. That inside's a bit deep for a 50 now. Well, 110. Come round here. Can't use the step up too muddy. You got this bit here, it's nice, real nice. You've got like a hit jump here, like yad, yad. And you hit this bank in, that's a quarter bike. Got a tight berm.